Alright guys, so what we're starting off with is this 360 lace front wig that was sent to me from Chinalacewig.com. So it's about 18 inches long, about 150 to 180% density. So what I'm going to do is do some highlights using box dye from Dark and Lovely. You can get this at the beauty supply store, hair store for about $5. I use 2 boxes, but you can get away with 1. So what I'm going to do is plop this on the mannequin head, and I'm just going to take sections off and just put like a little bit of hair down each section. This is not a bleaching process type of thing, so you don't have to bleach the hair before you do the highlights. This hair dye does come with a little bit of like a lifting boost that will cause it to pick up the color. So I'm going to process this for about like 45 minutes, and then you guys will see what the color looks like. I didn't have to go back in and do any extra additives. This was just one step process, and that was that. It definitely came out looking really fabulous, so stay tuned for the rest of the video to see how I customize this wig. As you guys can see, this is the finished look or the finished product after the coloring. So I did straighten it out because I didn't like the wave pattern. So what I'm going to do is just apply a little Got2b glue to the ear tabs only. I don't want to glue this all the way down because this does fit my head pretty well. So I'm just going to glue the ear tabs down, and then I'm going to go in and customize this unit. I'm super pleased by the color. It's not tremendously like shocking. It's like a nice subtle kind of like highlighted look. people, so this is the finished look of this hair. So this unit was sent to me from Chinalacewigs.com. So I did do major alterations to this unit. So this unit was a kind of like a loose wave, kind of body wave texture when I received it. So I did process this hair using box dye. So I did show you guys that part in the beginning. I used 2 boxes of that hair dye. No bleach needed. I did have like a little bit of a lifter booster in it, which is probably like where the bleach came in, but nothing where you had to do double or triple process. So this was an easy process through. I got some nice kind of light highlights in this wig, and I did this all on the mannequin head and just took pieces of the hair and took my time and did it. Now with this one, I didn't use a cap. I didn't try to do it all like, you know, real professional like a hairstylist because I'm not a licensed beautician. So I just did it my own way. I just pulled little pieces through and just put a little hair dye on each section. Now I think it actually came out pretty nice. Now I really think I like this better in a kind of like a style like this. When the hair did air dry out, I felt like the wave pattern was just not really prominent all over. It wasn't like an all over pattern. So I just decided to straighten this out and then go in and put some curls in it. So I definitely think it looks really, really nice like this. I did go in and snip the ends off a little bit so I can give myself just a nice even balance. The whole entire hair is supposed to be about 180% density, but I feel like it's not giving me the density that is listed as. So you guys already know, if you watch my channel, if the hair is not going to give me that density, I'm going to go ahead and give it a cut. So with this one, I went in and gave it a nice little cut, which I feel just makes it look better. I did add layers in the front area too, so I get more of that Farrah Fawcett kind of, you know, dreamy, sexy, Hollywood glam. I've kind of really been into that look lately. Nice loose wave patterns, kind of layers and stuff like that. That's been kind of my thing lately, so I'm definitely kind of trying to do that more. Adding the color to this one definitely amplified the unit as well too. I feel like the color is subtle. It's pretty. It's not too out there, but it's definitely just kind of like that light edge that you want sometimes. Sometimes it's boring just to always wear black hair, and honestly, the hair dye is like $5, so you didn't even need 2 boxes of hair dye. You could go with one, and one would have just been fine. So guys, I'm going to leave all the information down below if you want to achieve this look using this wig from Chinalacewigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.